Hey there, HR enthusiasts. Welcome back to Management Loop, your go-to source for the latest HR and management trends and tips to supercharge your career. Today, we're delving into the game-changing topic that's revolutionizing the HR landscape, artificial intelligence. First up, Introduction to AI in HR on MyHRfuture. This course is tailored for HR professionals, providing a solid foundation in AI and its applications in HR. You'll learn how AI can streamline your HR processes and enhance your digital HR strategy. Next, introducing Generative AI in HR by Google Cloud. This indispensable course delves into the transformative power of generative AI in talent acquisition, onboarding, employee development, and beyond. It's essential for those seeking to harness AI for a more engaging employee experience. Third is Machine Learning by Stanford University on Coursera. While not HR-specific, this course gives you a deep dive into the principles of machine learning, a core component of AI. Understanding these principles is crucial for working with AI tools in HR. Fourth on our list is Natural Language Processing in TensorFlow, also on Coursera. This course focuses on NLP, which is vital for developing effective HR chatbots and improving employee interactions through AI-driven communications. Finally, we have AI for Everyone on Coursera. This course provides a non-technical introduction to AI and its impact on business and society. It's perfect for gaining a broad understanding of AI concepts and how they can be applied in HR. These courses serve as an excellent foundation for incorporating AI into your HR practices. Remember to explore the links in the description to get started. If you found this video valuable, show your support by giving it a thumbs up, subscribing to Management Loop, and hitting the bell icon to stay informed about our latest videos. Thank you for watching, and until next time.